Now that I have learned how to fuel this bad boy up, it's time to get back to work. This firewood isn't gonna split itself. I forgot that it ran out right in the middle of splitting that piece of wood. Now that it's all gassed up, let's fire it back up. Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. My name is Allie, and today we're talking about wood. We are going to focus on the virtues of the log splitter, and I will talk about splitting firewood by hand, but that will be in another video. We have a County Line 25-ton log splitter from Tractor Supply. We paid around $1,100 for it in early 2020, and it has paid for itself in time and energy spent splitting wood. For 3 years, we split wood by hand every year. I still love it, but this thing just makes firewood a lot more efficient. One of the things you can do is split your wood in such a way that it's way more stacking friendly in the pile and in the wood box. It's a lot easier to vary the size of your firewood as well. I like a nice variety of sizes for different stages of heating. Now tell me that's not satisfying to watch. If you have some wood with a really straight grain, you can split those to make them easier to baton a knife through for kindling. The only downside is that gas splitters are quite loud. They do make electric log splitters if that would make your neighbors happier. They are lighter weight though. Mike did a cursory glance online and found them ranging from 5 to 14 ton ram capacity. I believe ram capacity could be best explained as how much pressure it's exerting on your wood. There is no other feeling in the world like tackling such a big task all on your own. Especially when a few years ago, there's no way you would have been able to do any of this. I'm very proud of myself, so thank you for following along on my journey. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And you have an amazing rest of your day and have a wonderful holiday season. I love you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and Happy Festivus for the rest of us. And I'm looking forward to solstice because the light will start coming back. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.